Today, we're going to draw a yummy stack of pancakes, topped with fruits and syrup. Start by outlining the pancakes, syrup, and fruits with simple lines. Butter light yellow with highlight, strawberry red with white spot, and darker leaf lines. Blueberries blue-purple with highlights. Don't forget to darken the edges a little to make it look more 3D. Finally, color each pancake golden yellow, shading the edges a little darker to make them fluffy. Paint the syrup dark brown so it looks like it's really dripping down. All done. Here's our delicious fruit pancakes, shiny and sweet. Every layer of effort adds up to the sweet taste of life.